Hi everyone! In this video we will simplify complex fractions. Simplify the quantity of 3/4 plus 1/8, close parenthesis, plus the quantity of 3/8 minus 1/5, close parenthesis. We must do the order of operations, which state we must do inside the parentheses first. So we need to accomplish all of the operations in here and all of the operations in here before we can do the addition of what we get for those totals. On the left side, we need to find common denominator. We have 4 and 8, so if we multiply the first one by 2, we will get a common denominator of 8. 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1/8, gives us 6/8 plus 1/8 is 7/8. On the right-hand side, we need a common denominator as well. We have 8 and 5. Because these two numbers don't have any common factors, this means that I need to multiply each by the other number. So I'll multiply the first one by 5, numerator and denominator, and the right fraction, numerator and denominator, by 8, which will give us a common denominator of 40. 3 times 5 is 15, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 1 is 8, and 5 times 8 is 40. Now we have 15 40ths minus 8 40ths. 15 minus 8 is 7, so we get 7 40ths. Now we need to add these two numbers together, but they also need a common denominator. And since 8 will go into 45 times, this means that our common denominator, the least common denominator, is 40. So I can multiply the left side fraction by 5, numerator and denominator. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. So now we have a common denominator, and we get 35 40ths plus 7 40ths. 35 plus 7 is 42. So we have 42 40ths. But before we circle our answer, we should also double check that we can simplify. And because both of these are even, we can divide them both by 2. 42 divided by 2 is 21. And 40 divided by 2 is 20. So now we have our simplified solution to the entirety of solving these complex fractions, and we're all done. The answer is 21/20ths.